Epicflows production.
Epicflows.
Yeah, man, so you know there's a boy Radekal Epic representing for Rap Genius. So when me say lyrics say, shut your mouth with your Likkle Bit of belly. Basically I tell the people them who bellically inclined say, them need for shh, keep quiet. This is not their conversation. Belly big like Biggie or Machiavelli. This line now is really a metaphor. It speaks to the global impactfulness of my belly. My belly now local. This right here so, this are no beehive. And a beehive. And this right here so no potential kid. Even though I am so nice, me have to make them know say me thing no local. You understand? Me thing global. Yeah man? Thick a girl no want no slim nigga, can't even lift her up. She have to call me back cause me got a bigger belly. This lyrics right here is self-explanatory. But if you need more explanation, I suggest you go and find that video with Nara from the Fix JA trying to lift up Tifa. You back down.
It was at this moment he knew.
Thick a girl, them a wise up. Them no want no slim man who can't lift them up. So them say, wait, I'm have to dash them way and come back for a man like me with a big belly. You understand? Yeah man. Even studies that come out now and show say yo, thicker man with bigger bellies last longer than the slim man them. So the woman them are wise up. Some man start hype cause them got a local belly. If you check the levels in a society, you know, who are the hype set among them? Man them will walk around when they have nothing. So them not have no belly, yet them are the hype set. How would that work? How would that work? Yeah man, so them need for just go quat somewhere and chill out. I understand the pre, them not have a buzz. 6 abs a joke thing, that a Dirty Berry. Dirty Berry is a comedian, right? All him job is comedy pan comedy pan comedy. Box cover! I saw the girl them a laugh off of them, cause them a joke thing. Tell them if you bring them 6 abs back to 1991 and go watch Baywatch. Give me woman bare belly like Ojeda Bati when we go touch this thing, she'll rub me on my belly. I think Michelle Obama best explained these lines in her book, Becoming. She says if you don't go out there and define yourself, you will be quickly and inaccurately defined by others. And I think for years the big belly man has been painted in a negative light, and until one man had the courage to stand up and challenge these stereotypes and said, shut your mouth with your Likkle Bit of belly. Shut your mouth with your Likkle Bit of belly. This has been a lyric reading with your boy, Radekal Epic Big Belly Ambassador. I'm out.
It's epic out here.
Epicflows production.
Radekal and Big
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaica, you know. Kingston.
You know I rep Epicflows when I step into my clothes.